Hey, this is Susan. I go under the trade name Mayla's Design, and I've done this painting in acrylics of an imaginary view of the mountains in Tucker County in West Virginia around Thomas. Um, yeah, it's obviously celebrating the wind power in the area, and that is not because I wanted to put coal people out of business. I love wind power, but I also wish coal people had been offered a bit of a job to replace the living that they had for many eons. So, that little political statement made, here's my untaping. This is exciting for me too, so I'm going to share it with you. Um, so I did this in acrylics, and I was advised by the kind folks at Plaza Art in Fairfax to get some acrylic water-based markers that would help me with my fine lines because I have some muscular diseases and it is not always easy for me to get fine control of a brush. And that has been one of the reasons I have never gotten that seriously into painting, although I love doing it. So the folks at that store have been very kind in listening to me and figuring out what I need to use to get in the direction I'm wanting to go in. And I'm very happy with this. So I'm untaping it. In other news, happy to say I'm going to be at the Art Spring Festival Art Market in Davis, West Virginia over Memorial Day weekend. On the Saturday, if health allows. If my health doesn't allow, I'll have somebody selling for me. I guess I shouldn't block this. And that I'm really excited and happy about that. People in the area have been so kind and welcoming, and it's just nice. So, yes, I think the untaping is going well, isn't it? What do you think? Any rate, I'm Susan. That's the news, and I'm out of here.